Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have a very rare opportunity, a used Pioneer. This is a 2018 Pioneer 700 four-seater. It's got the dump bed, fuel injectant, 700 cc's, 3-speed automatic transmission. It's equipped with a few really nice accessories, including the full top, adjustable acrylic windshield, you can vent that, rear view mirror, and a 2,500 pound winch. Only 691 miles on this lightly used Pioneer 700 4-seat side-by-side. Come on by, make your utility side-by-side dreams come true for just $12,999. This one also has the mag wheels. It's really in beautiful shape. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.